I'm big on writing thank you notes, and the only kind of note I write on are small, blue bordered folded notes, but they're very expensive. So I decided to make my own. Online I can buy 10 cards for 21 bucks, but that's too much. Instead, I do this. I can buy 40 blank notes for under $14. So why would I pay $2.10 per note when I can pay 3 cents per note and put my own border on? Here's what you do. I get a blank piece of paper. Actually, I get a black piece of paper. And I get a ruler and I get a Sharpie, a blue Sharpie. That's what I'm going to use for the border. I place the note card on the black piece of paper and notice the contrast of the black and the white. This allows me to determine the width of the border that I want, and I also can see what I need to paint there. So I just draw my blue line across that and take a look. It looks just like the expensive one. So I'm going to do that all around the whole card. Again, just drawing right across and also making sure I get that edge. By placing that paper, by the way, on the bottom, you're not getting the ink on your desk, but you are covering everything you want to cover. And by the way, I use a ruler that I don't care if it gets dirty or paint on or anything, because it will. I'm basically just eyeballing it. See how nice that looks? So I'm doing all 4 edges, not even measuring, because I have an idea of what I want. You can use a gel pen too. And just this last edge here. Take my Sharpie, just run across it, make sure I get all those edges right at the end there. Ta-da! Doesn't it look great? Now, which would you rather? Pay $2.10 for that brand name or 3 cents for the one you make? If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. It's free!